Hello, I'm back. Start of a new week. This is actually the weekend. Tidying up. Yeah, thought I'd make the post look more professional. Not really that actually. It's more I keep tripping up shit. So yeah, I need to tidy up. I know not all of us are OCD people. I'm not the only one out there. I know I get it from Dad. But yeah, it does help tidying up. You know, sometimes you don't. But I hate tidying up. Every time I decide to come tidy up, it starts pissing down with rain, doesn't it? So like you look out and you go, all I'm going to do is go outside and tidy up the damn bloody garage. Pissing with rain, I've got to go down the tip because every time I clean up the garage, I've got to do a tip run. There's always shit to go down there. But anyway, so yeah, this is going to be my weekend of cleaning up, on and off. Other things, obviously Mother's Day and rubbish, it was just gone. Hopefully all your mothers out there had a good time. But anyway, so what we're going to do is, the ideal plan is on Mother's Day, tomorrow, yesterday for you guys, we're going to get the mother out and we're going to help and swap this car around and turn it around so we can work on the front end and work on the passenger door because it's a bit tight over that side. It's a hell of a lot easier working on this side. I could just move the spit, but I don't think that will work, so we're just going to try and sort the thing around. But first off, let's try and clear the floor, try and find the floor even. That's what my mum used to say in my bedroom. Yeah, so let's have a bit of a tidy up. Just cleaning up, found the old door skin. I don't know if you can see, welded. A lot of people used to do that. Bloody doors sag like anything on these hinges, always prone to it. Yeah, people used to just weld the door hinges to the door, stop the sagging. So that's why it was a bit more of a pain in the arse to come off. I might just grind it off. You know, sometimes these hinges are repairable. Somebody else, you know, you can repin them. They are useful to somebody, so cut that off and we can throw the scrap bit of metal because we've got plenty more foreskin. I found a bit of a flaw. Didn't realise that, it was underneath all the crap. Anyway, my broom's down the other unit at the moment. Oh, what's that there? It's not a broom. So yeah, we need to get ourselves a new broom, I think. I know the compressed air line is a good substitute, but it can't be a good old broom, so we need to go get that. Yeah, just broke my extension lead. It was broken anyway, that socket stopped working ages ago. Now I've just dropped something on that. My fault. Anyway, deserve a new one. We'll go see what's down Screwfix. Talking of bodges the other day, if you ever, ow, idiot. If you ever see me pop riveting aluminium plate to the bottom of a root floor, please shout out. Definitely don't want to be doing that. So it's the old root floor that we had left. It was just attached to the petrol tank strap. So took that off now. So we must remember we need to put a bolt on the other side of the floor for the battery strap. The bolt, the fuel tank. Alright, got a couple of bags of rubbish and a boot full of metal. Let's try and nip down the old tip quickly and maybe pop by Screwfix, see if they've got any extension leads and a broom. Welcome back, another day, even though it's the same video. Happy Mother's Day today, technically. So I've done the go shopping, buy all the wrong stuff from Tesco's, so that's all good. Had our lunch. The ladies have now gone off to have a bit of a wander around town, so we've got a few minutes. Haven't got anywhere close to tidying up very well, as you can see. Car's still facing in the wrong direction. We'll see if we can get down. But I have gone to Screwfix. Got myself a nice new extension lead. That'll be good. And I got myself a broom. Nice new broom. Which didn't come with brackets or anything, so I've just screwed it together for now. And see how long that lasts with a bit of glue. But we might make some brackets at some point. So now keep sweeping, keep cleaning. Let's see if we can get rid of some crap. I went down the tip already, so that's gone. And yeah, let's see how we do. Alright, getting there, there's a bit of a floor. What I might do is I might repaint the floor at some point when, maybe when the car's painted or not, I don't know, or before. Make it feel a bit nicer, it does make it feel good. Anyway, I'm getting close to actually thinking about moving the car, so we're going to have to move the jet black, red hot out of the way, 16 valve, and also find some sort of trolley. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go try and find a pallet, because I know where some pallets are. And I bought these a while ago, just some wheels, not huge wheels, but I think they'd be big enough. So what we'll do is go get a pallet, screw these to the bottom of the pallet. Pallet goes underneath the car. We'll lower the car onto the pallet, push it out gently, turn it around, push it back in. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. We've got the car turned around. I am worried that I don't think it'll actually roll over afterwards, because this end's quite tight to the front. Because it narrows my garage. It's a really stupid garage. But well, it's not a stupid garage because I've got a garage. So we might have to keep it in the upright position most of the time, but I think I've done a lot of the underneath anyway. And if we have to, we'll spin it back round again for when the shop blaster comes anyway. But we need to be able to get to the other side easily to do the door. So anyway, let's go find a pallet.
Pallets, lots of pallets.
Alright. Bodge-tastic this. Here's my trolley collected. There's Bosch and wheels on it, and we're sorted. Alright, 2 screws in each, don't want to over strengthen it. Let's see if this does anything. Hey, look at that. I might be more professional and put a strap around it once it's on there. So yeah, it's gone. Ooh, it's under there. So yeah. I'll see if I do any more. If there is, great. If not, this is the end of the video. So this is as far as I've got today. We shall continue to clean though, if we don't do anything more. Well, seems to be alright. I've been very professional and I've put a strap around the pallet and the car. If it makes any difference is another question. So yeah, alright, let's go see if we can fire up the red hot. Hasn't been started in a few weeks. See if we can get that out of the way and see if we can get this pushed out into daylight, spun round and brought back in again, back on the spit. Alright, cover off. Let's see if it starts before I try and pump up the tyres. Got a geared starter motor, so it does help even with a flat battery. Never did sort out the cold start either. pump up the tyre. Alright, I've moved the rear leg of my spit. I do know, I think I'm sure some people said that they didn't think it was going to work, but after 3-4 months it's still been doing its job. So I might actually leave, I'm just thinking about it now. We're going to spin the car around, but I'm thinking of leaving it actually on the pallet for the moment. Because yeah, at the moment the spit goes all the way through and it gets in the way of the bonnet closing. So we need the bonnet to close so we can do the all the sort of panel gaps and everything at the front end. So we'll see. We'll get it spin around and see what it looks like. But yeah, spit done. It's good. Just remove it. Ready for the next car. Always weird seeing cars in a different position after they've been there for years. So yeah, that went easier than I thought. Definitely helped with the actual pole still being in there because you were able just to lift the car / trolley a little bit. Yeah, cool. Passenger side. Well, this will hopefully make the videos more exciting now. We're car swapped around and seeing something different. It's like, hey, whole new car. So anyway, that's it for today. Yeah, see problems in the way. But hey ho, we'll work things out. So yeah, we've got time to crack on. So on the next videos, we've got to get the door fixed, repaired, so we can then mount the inner A panel, and now we can get to the front easily. We'll take the scaffold pole out now, so we can get the bonnet bolted up. We'll get the bonnet on first so we can sort of use that for alignment for all the wings and the front end, and we get the famous subframe in. Yeah, alright guys, not as much cleaned as I wanted to do, but did get the car turned around, which is good. But getting there, and bought myself some other bits and bobs at Screwfix, so we'll just go from there. So yeah, till the next video guys. Gonna go and have a Sunday roast now. Gonna go cook that. Alright, cheers for everyone, thanks for all the support. See you soon.